welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss MSCE 004 important question, flow of funds account of a nation. Explain flow of funds of account of a nation and highlights its significance. So flow of fund. Flow of fund is part of whole system of national accounts, that is SNA, which represents financial transactions among different institutions of economy and between institutions and rest of the world. Also shows various financial instruments in which institutions transact with each other. तो पहला तो ये बताता है कि फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन बताता है किसके बीच, डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऑफ इकोनॉमी के बीच और इंस्टीट्यूशंस और रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड के बीच, और ये भी बताता है कि कौन से फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ट्रांजैक्ट किए इंस्टीट्यूशंस ने आपस में. ठीक है. फ्लो ऑफ फंड्स identifies which institutions are net borrowers and net lenders in series of transactions. तो कौन से net borrowers हैं और कौन से net lenders हैं. Flow of fund accounting combines sector income statement, balance sheet to construct sector sources and use of fund statement. It is a set of account that is used to follow flow of money within various sectors of economy. It analyzes economic data on borrowing, lending and investment through sectors like household, business and firms. Different uses of flow of fund accounts are useful in analyzing what happens in various financial markets, traces financial flows that interact with and influence real saving and investment process, records financial transactions underlying real savings and investment. Now, flow of fund matrix of an economy. So, flow of fund data for an economy are derived from specific period of time by dividing the economy into sectors, preparing a source and use of funds statement for each sector, summing and sources and uses of for all sectors, placing sectors account side by side to form table or a matrix. First step is divide the economy into sectors. So economy is divided into household, business firms, government and financial institution. If foreign transactions are to be included, it is necessary to include a sector for rest of the world. Larger number of sectors, more likely each sector will be composed of relatively homogeneous units. But if the economy is divided into too many sectors, the more it is very cumbersome because there is too much detail. ठीक है, तो बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग भी होता है. सेकेंड, प्रिपेयर अ सोर्स एंड यूज़ ऑफ फंड स्टेटमेंट फॉर ईच सेक्टर. तो हम एक सोर्स एंड यूज़ ऑफ फंड स्टेटमेंट बनाएंगे फॉर ईच सेक्टर, राइट. इसे करते हैं डन बाय एग्जामिनिंग बैलेंस शीट ऑफ वेरियस सेक्टर्स एट द बिगनिंग एंड एंड ऑफ द क्वार्टर और ईयर. Then net change in the stock of assets, liabilities, net worth occurred during the period are noted. Some assets have increased in the value, others have decreased. Some liabilities may be greater and some are smaller than at the beginning of the period. Treat increase in the asset as use of fund and increase in liability or net worth as sources of fund. User side assets is equal to sum of changes in real and financial sources. ठीक है, changes in liabilities plus changes in net worth. Third step is summing. By summing all sectors for the economy, the equality is obtained. Change in net worth plus change in liabilities, that is sources of funds, is equal to change in real assets, that is use of fund, plus change in financial assets and liabilities. Or savings plus borrowings is equals to investment plus lending. So if saving is greater than investment, then borrowing should be less than lending. This sector is sector surplus and net lender to other sectors. If saving is less than investment, then borrowing is greater than lending. This sector is a deficit sector and a net borrower from other sectors. तो ये equality hold करनी चाहिए. ठीक है. Then fourth, placing the sectors account to form the matrix. Now we'll place that like that. देखो यहाँ पे sectors है household, business, government, financial intermediaries. ठीक है, all sectors. यहाँ देखो क्या है, यू ऐसे, यू मतलब है यूज़ ऑफ फंड, ऐसे सोर्स ऑफ फंड. अब यहाँ देखो सेविंग्स या नेटवर्थ, इन्वेस्टमेंट, रियल एसेट, नेट चेंजेस इन फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स, नेट चेंज इन फाइनेंशियल लाइबिलिटीज, टोटल सेक्टर सरप्लस और डेफिसिट. तो ऐसे ये टेबल मैट्रिक्स बनता है. नाउ सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ फंड अकाउंटिंग. सो फॉर क्लासिफाइंग एंड मेजरिंग द सोर्सेज एंड यूजेज ऑफ बोथ internal and external funds, the flow of fund accounting provides a very useful framework. The flow of fund accounting shows relationship among various sectors of economy. It provides historical data on each sector, saving, investment, borrowing and lending. Financial analysts use these data to make estimate of prospective financial flow, especially when forecasting interest rates. Other applications is testing hypotheses concerning portfolio behavior of consumers and business firms and establishing relationship between credit flows to total spendings on goods and services. So that was it for flow of funds accounting. Thank you guys. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do comment which next topic you want me to prepare a video for you guys. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.